Hello, good morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time it is, wherever you are. I hope you are doing well today. Today, I have 2 Fairyloot boxes that came in, so I thought we would do a little unboxing. This one, I believe, is my September combo box. This one, I'm not 100% sure what it is, so let's find out. Grab some scissors. And just the standard Fairyloot card that comes with all editions that are ordered. I try not to make a mess. Almost forgot about this. It went for pre-order so long ago. And it is Howl's Moving Castle. That is beautiful. I have to admit, I've never seen the movie, so I think I'm going to watch the movie, then read the book. Maybe I'll read the book first. "How about making a bargain with me?" said the demon. "I'll break your spell if you agree to break this contract I'm under." I could get into that. Those edges are stunning. Okay. So it does have a reversible dust jacket as well. Try not to get everything messy here. This is beautiful. And then on the back, the author's name is in foil. And the end papers are very pretty. They're very basic, but they're very pretty. Yeah, I think I want to say I pre-ordered this at the beginning of the year. So I knew it was going to take a while, but I had kind of forgot about it. So So that is what was in the first box. What are you? The last few months, my subscription books have not been coming in the little black Fairyloot bags. I don't know if they're not doing that anymore. So this is the excuse me, the YA book, and the theme is masterminds. There is the cover. I think they've done far better covers, but that's not the worst I've seen. If I can find it, I will put in the original cover. "In a deadly game of revenge, the most dangerous mistake of all is falling in love." Okay. I do think the edges are very pretty. Not super high contrast. They're standing up better on the camera than they are in person. And this also has a reversible dust jacket. That's not my favorite kind of character art where they look very realistic. I prefer a more cartoony take on it, but you know, to each their own. It's pretty. Oh. And foil dagger and a foil flame, pretty on the nose. Not a fan of the end papers in this one. This page is beautiful. I could do with it this one. And there is a letter from the author in the front. I do miss getting those separately with a piece of artwork. I'm probably in the minority for that though. And stick this card back in there so I don't lose it. I should pick that up. Oh, please. So what's left is the adult book. And the theme is power struggles. There is the cover. If I can find a picture of the original cover, I will put it in here. If suffering made us strong, then I would be stronger than all of them. There. The edges are beautiful. Okay. And once again, a reversible dust jacket. I never reverse mine because I'm scared I'll bend them weird. It's very nice. I do think I prefer that one. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, I like this. Okay. And end papers at the front. And different end papers at the back. I do prefer these end papers over the other book. If you watch this, thank you for hanging out with me and unboxing my 2 Fairyloot boxes. And thank you very much. And I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.